Namaskar all. Namaskar to our revered Guruji Dr. Bhavdeep Bhatia and Ashok sir. I want to share my experience about the RBJ community. I would say it was my deepest desire to learn astrology. I tried many a times, picked up books, googled it out, listened to videos, but somewhere it all went beyond the frame of mind. And after 3 months of getting into all this, I was still zero at the basic concepts. And that is the time I lost hope and thought of giving it up. And yes, I gave up and thought never in my life I would ever dwell into the science of this pious subject. Well, it was one of my friends who attended the workshop conducted by Dr. Bhatia, and he was so convinced and told me that I have got a person who can teach you astrology. At the first instance, I didn't believe him, but I thought, okay, let's give it a try as there's nothing to lose here. So I joined the first class, and it won't be an exaggeration that if I tell that the first 2 hours I was almost mesmerized because it took me through the basics. Uh, the methodology which was used by Dr. Bhatia was so easy to assimilate and remember. I still recall at the end of the very first class he mentioned, you have just read half book of astrology. I totally agreed with him because I know the efforts which I have put in the last 3 months. Those 3 months I was reading all books, gathering notes. I was still not clear. But those 2 hours in the first classes, those were amazing. I will be indebted from the bottom of my heart to Dr. Bhatia for holding my hands and letting me into the world of astrology. Thank you so much.